everybody, welcome to episode 2 of the Rebuild My Business series. So if you have seen episode 1, I'm actually filming these on the same day. So if you notice that my nails are still 2 different sets, we're gonna work on that, okay? But today's episode, let me grab my stuff. And I'm filming you on my phone, so if I'm like making some crazy angles and stuff, just go with it, okay? All right, so we're gonna take you guys upstairs. I almost tripped. Got my Dutch Bros, because Dutch Bros is live. Okay, so before I start, let me just explain. My daughter's library is closed, and she has taken over this area with her things, but I'm going to take this area over for my business. So we're going to start off with kind of revamping this area. This right here is the internet. It has to stay here, which is totally fine. But I think I'm going to move one of these to my son's room. And I have a table in the garage, and I just realized I think it's behind like everything. But yeah, that table in the garage, and I have a rolly chair that I think I'm gonna put here and kind of make it like a makeshift desk area. It's not a desk, it's like an actual like table, but it's gonna work, it'll work. And then we can kind of set up everything from here and go from here. But I'm gonna start off with cleaning this area out first. Okay, so I had a blonde moment. I forgot this is screwed into the wall. I should have remembered that because I did it. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna move this over, just make this very cutesy little area. And then we're gonna take my little table and put that here and then just have the internet on top. So we're gonna just kind of move everything this way instead. My next move is gonna be one where I hate myself because we have all of our stuff still in storage and I need that table over there. This one right there. Yep, I hate myself. All right, I'm coming to the other side. This can come out. This is for my lashes, so that can actually come out. I don't know why I would put that over there. I'm gonna throw that there. It's not a heavy table, so I'm thinking if I can just clear like a path right here, somehow I can pick it up. I just need to get the things off of it too. I might, if this is sturdy enough, I might just be able to climb over top of it. Let's just see what happens. Alrighty, so it is now a few days after the first, I guess round, I don't know what we'd call that, but I guess round of setting this area up. It's been like, probably like a week since I cleaned, and like, actually it might be a little longer than that, since I've done the whole area. So today I had bought a couple packages just to kind of for like my business stuff. So I bought a couple packages, so I want to set those up, and I want to reorganize the area. There's just a few things that I want to kind of tweak since then, but yeah, so I'll take you along with me while I do that. Today's plan, I want to get this done so I can actually start filming videos. You guys, while you're watching this, I've actually already filmed the 3rd episode of, I need some more of this so bad. It's not coming out. Oh, okay, there we go. But I've already filmed the 3rd episode of Rebuild My Business, and I haven't edited it yet. I cannot say that. I haven't edited it, but yeah, so that's already been filmed, and I realized that I need to hurry up and get this finished, and I figured since I haven't done the 2nd episode yet either, I would just tack this on to it. So let me show you what we're working with. Okay, the lighting might be a tad bit bad, but so, I mean, it's not horrible. I just want to finish cleaning this up. this is the next area that I want to work on. I think, sorry, I'm pulling that back. I think when I'm filming, I kind of want the angle to be similar to this, maybe up a little bit more. So I just really want to make this area look nice. I'm trying to think of what I can add to make it look cute. I think I have some pictures in the garage, so let's go. Okay, y'all, this is the box. So a couple of these are my daughter's, and she's going to be very happy that she's going to get these toys back. So I'm going to take these out. But what I really am in this box for is actually this picture right here. Let me see if I can do this on camera without breaking anything. That might not work. We're gonna pull all of these out of the way. Oh no. The hand is very crepey. That makes me sad. Well, this is the picture that I painted a very long time ago, and as you can see, it's got like a bunch of dents and stuff in it now. I think for now, I'm just gonna put it on it, and I have some more canvases. Maybe I can try to paint another one and make it a little bit better. And this time I'm gonna put a top coat on it because I realized that I didn't do that before, and that's what's wrong with this one, is there's no top coat. And then obviously, you know, moving and stuff, there's punctures in the canvas now. Oh, is that? Oh, it's stretched right here too. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I'll just make a new one. Okay, I'm not planning to be out here anymore because I think I just got bit by a bug. So I have a couple of things that I'm going to add to that area, and then everything else I'm just gonna leave in this box. I really think I got bit by a bug. That's crazy. But I'll meet you guys back upstairs. Okay, so here is what we're working with. Obviously, when I film, this won't be here, but there's really no other spot. Ignore all that. There's really no other spot to put it without it looking kind of janky. So, yeah, that's just gonna have to stay there for now. Actually, let me see. Okay, still not the cleanest, but definitely better than what it looked like a second ago. So I think this is how it's going to be normally. So like, I kind of also think that this will be okay for now because like you can see the lines on it, but it's not as bad as it could be. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of leave that for now and then make another one. And then this will just be the background for right now. Another idea that I've been toying with is doing a podcast with the audio of the videos that I do. So that way, like, there's video and podcast versions of the videos that I make. I apologize again if y'all can hear. I can hear it very loudly. So if y'all can hear that vacuum, I'm sorry, but the floors are really dirty. So I think what I'm going to do is leave this area for like my podcasting YouTube area. And then obviously like I have like all my stuff here. So if I have a video that's about services, I can hopefully like show like, hey, this is how you do it type thing, or at least explain some things, stuff like that. All right, so the last little things we have is like this area. And then over here, pretty much all of this is either getting thrown away or going to the garage. So I'm just gonna do the little bit of cleanup and then show you guys the finished result. All right, everybody, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you haven't already, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We would love to have you join us for this whole series and see how far we can get in rebuilding my business. And as always, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.